Yo, welcome back to another episode of Let Me Cook. It's your boy DJ Delinger, and today we're gonna make some coconut chicken. Alright, and our ingredients for today, we're gonna use some vegetable oil, spinach, a large green pepper, 2 of these of some coconut milk, some fish sauce, garlic, 2 onions, ginger, and this here is 9 drumsticks cut in half. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys how I cut my chicken. Just do your best to try and aim right in the center and give it one good strike, and then the second strike should be real easy to cut after. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start putting the ginger, onions, garlic, and the fish sauce in there. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to cook the chicken in here, and this is going to give the flavor of the chicken. Always put a little fish sauce at first. You don't want to overdo it, so it's better to be less than more. You can always fix it later. So we're going to mix this up a little bit. When you fry it up, you're going to smell a lot of the fish sauce. It's going to smell good too, so don't worry about all that. So once you mix everything together, let's go ahead and grab the chicken. You want to mix it around one more time. Once you got everything in place, just put the cover back on, and just we're gonna keep checking it periodically to make sure that the chicken is cooked before we add the other ingredients. Alright, so it's been about 30-35 minutes. Chicken should be cooked, and yeah, it's looking good. So we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna start with the coconut milk first. Just go ahead and pour it all in there. Make sure you shake the can first up too, so you can get all that stuff in there. Alright, now I'm gonna put the Poblano pepper. Don't break it up, just make sure you wash it and then just throw it right in there. And lastly, the spinach. The reason is with the pepper, you want it to let it split by itself while it's cooking and all this. So now that we have all the ingredients in there, I should mix it up. That's what I'm gonna mix this up. Now we're gonna let this sit for at least another 15 to 20 minutes and check on it to see if we need to add any more fish sauce in case you want to make it a little bit more saltier. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes, so we're gonna do a taste test and also make sure to see if the chicken's cooked. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of the Patis fish sauce in here, just to get it a little bit more saltier. Just be careful when you do it. You don't want to overdo it. Just make sure you mix it around. And that's pretty much your coconut chicken. I'll be right back. right, so let's go ahead and try it out. Could also make this with shrimp or any other type of meat. But yeah, other than that, hope you enjoyed. Till next time, peace.